This channel has 17 million views from one video. Now how much do you think it earns? Over $25,000 from YouTube ads alone. And here's the crazy part. It's not a vlog. It's not a podcast. It's not even a song by a real singer. This content is made entirely with AI. A channel called The Door Brothers brings celebrities like Obama to life with viral AI-generated music, and without a single camera, without a face. It makes $10,000 to $25,000 a month. So yeah, you might want to watch this video until the end. Because I'm not just going to show you how to make videos like this. You're going to learn how to monetize AI-generated music. There are faceless YouTube channels that make AI music videos and earn thousands of dollars a month. One of them has reached an incredible number of views with just one video, and it probably took less than 20 minutes to make that video. This is not a dream. It's not an advertisement. It's happening right now. And today we're going to learn step by step how to do exactly that. We'll start here. Generating viral music video ideas. With ChatGPT, making music with Music GPT Final Edit in CapCut. This is the system that real creators use to make money even in their sleep. And you could be next. But first we need a viral idea. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now it all starts with ChatGPT. Let me show you the exact prompt I use to get viral music video ideas in seconds. You don't need to be a musical genius, nor a degree in filmmaking to make viral videos. You type a simple sentence, and boom, ChatGPT gives you 20 YouTube music video ideas, each with the potential to get millions of views. What you have to do is very simple. Open ChatGPT and enter this exact prompt. Give me 20 faceless YouTube music video ideas with celebrities, popular topics, or nostalgic themes that could go viral. Just a few years ago, making music meant expensive studios, heavy expenses, singers, arrangers, and hours, or even weeks of time. But today, everything has changed completely. Now all you have to do is log into the Music GPT website, complete a simple registration, choose your favorite music style, and just write a few lines of explanation. The idea in your mind will be transformed into real, audible, and usable music in a matter of seconds. No professional equipment, no musical experience required, just your creativity and the power of artificial intelligence. It doesn't matter what you're looking for. Emotional music, viral music, or even a song for your YouTube and Instagram video. This is where ideas become sound. Now that we've registered, it's time to move on to the tools section. Create anything sound generator text-to-speech remix. Replace extend sing overall. Of this without a studio, without special equipment, and without professional music knowledge. Just a few clicks, and a result that's completely publishable. Now, we'll copy the prompt that ChatGPT has prepared for us, and paste it directly into Music GPT. And that's it. In just a few moments, the AI will be start making music. No setup, no recording, no hassle. A few seconds later, the music is all ready, and you can download it and use it in your videos. Let's listen for a moment. See how real, how clean, and how professionally made it is. It's that simple.
We were making magic out of nothing, just a camera and a stupid joke. Laughing till we couldn't breathe a function. Everything was brilliant, everything was broke. We didn't need a reason, we didn't need a plan. Just us against the boredom, creating what we can. We were alive, we were ridiculous, building our world from the inside out.
We were making magic out of nothing, just a camera and a stupid joke. Laughing till we couldn't breathe a function. Everything was brilliant, everything was broke. We didn't need a reason, we didn't need a plan. Just us against the boredom, created what we can. We were alive, we were ridiculous, building our world from the inside out. We were a fire, burning magnificent, didn't care what it was about.
Sunrise hits the chrome on the Benz I just bought. Another million in the bank, another battle fought. They see the headlines, the champagne, the endless applause, but they don't see the silence hiding behind these walls. I got the keys to the city, the penthouse view, everything I ever wanted, but nothing feels new. Chasing the high, but the feeling just won't stick. Just a hollow echo, a lonely vowel trick. It's a sad, catchy lo-fi beat playing in my head. Driving luxury cars, wishing I was home instead. Got the gold chains, got the success, but the soul is empty. Living in a golden cage where nobody can tempt me.
Now go back to ChatGPT. Here, you just need to write that you want to make a video for this song. You explain the topic of your song very simply. Then you specify that you want to make the video VO3, and you ask ChatGPT to prepare a precise and professional prompt for you specifically for VO3. ChatGPT will deliver you a ready, clean, and fully usable prompt in a few moments. Now your prompts are all set. You can take them one by one and convert them into videos using the free VO3 sites. That's exactly what I did. I copied all the prompts into pieces and converted each into a separate video. Now comes the final step, where everything truly comes together and all the pieces you've created turn into one complete polished video. Go to CapCut or any editing software you feel most comfortable using, whether you're working on a mobile device or on a computer, because the process is essentially the same. Start by importing all the videos you created with VO3 into the timeline, laying them out so you can clearly see each clip. This is where the real work begins. Carefully cut and trim each video according to the beat, rhythm, and tempo of the music. Then place every section exactly where it belongs, so the visuals flow naturally with the sound. If a scene feels too long, shorten it. If a moment doesn't fit the mood, replace it with the next video. The main goal here is to make the visuals perfectly match the emotion and energy of the song. Once the visuals are in place, import the music you created with Music GPT and add it to the timeline. Adjust the volume so it's clean and balanced. Align the start and end of the track precisely with your video, and add subtle fade-ins or fade-outs where needed to make the transitions feel smooth and professional. After that, move on to the most creative and exciting part: effects and animation. By adding smooth transitions between clips, gentle lighting effects, or simple on-screen animations, you can instantly elevate the quality of your video and make it look far more professional. There's no need to overdo it. Using a few well-chosen effects is far more effective than cluttering your video with dozens of unnecessary ones. If you want to take it a step further, you can also add a bit of motion to the visuals, such as a slow zoom, a smooth camera pan, or a very subtle shake that moves in sync with the beat of the music, helping the video feel alive and dynamic. When everything is in place, play the entire video from start to finish and carefully review it. If the flow feels smooth, the audio and visuals are perfectly synchronized, and the emotion of the song is clearly conveyed, then you're ready for the final step. Choose your export settings, select the appropriate resolution, and hit the export button. And that's it. Your video is ready. A complete music video created with artificial intelligence, without a studio, without a large team, and without heavy expenses. This same video can now be uploaded, shared, potentially go viral, and even start making you real money.
We were making magic out of nothing, just a camera and a stupid joke. Laughing till we couldn't breathe or function. Everything was brilliant, everything was broke. We didn't need a reason, we didn't need a plan. Just us against the boredom, creating what we can. We were alive, we were ridiculous, building our world from the inside out. We were a fire, burning magnificent, didn't care what it was about. We were together, we were invincible, making each other laugh till we cried. Before we learned to take it serious, before we knew better, we were right. Every weird idea felt like genius, staying up till sunrise, editing frames. Nobody was watching, that's what freed us. We were doing it just to do it, no shame. We didn't need permission, We didn't need to win, just us against the side.